So over here you can see that I'm accessing a remote computer, but if I want to actually know the details of the remote computer and how much RAM it has and so forth, then I can actually go around over here onto the top and click on the dashboard. And once I do that, I get a general information about the computer, as you can see right here. For example, I can see the name of the computer and even the device manufacturer, the model, as you can see right here, the operating system that it is using, the computer name as well, and even the IP address, as you can see right here, including the IPv6 address as well. Over here on the left hand side, you can see the general processes like how much CPU it is using, how much RAM it is using right here, and how much disk space it is using as well. You can even go ahead and open up Task Manager right here, just like this, and access it out right here. So now as I go around over here onto the dashboard, you can see the security right here as well, and then access out Action Center right here, just like this as well, and change it out. So you have immediate access to all of these, as you can see. You can also go to device management right here, and apart from that, you can see that you can go ahead and enable out like account assignment, wake up on LAN, so that you can actually access out computer, that is the remote computer, without it being turned on. So you can access it directly using TeamViewer, and then you can end out the session by clicking right over there as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around and access out the remote computer overview to see its details in TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.